Oh, good, you're here. I just wanted to briefly go over how the OpenGL shaders work to get the SVG shapes output to the screen. For the way it's set up now, there's for each shape, that's a line segment or a circle or ellipse, the shape is drawn using a full screen quad, and then the pixel shader or fragment shader handles filling in the pixels that represent the shape itself. So you can see with this is what, line 2D. For the vertex shader, the incoming quad is just put into screen coordinates, and then the remaining attributes of the shape are passed to the fragment shader. So here the screen coordinates go from -1 to 1, the left and right, bottom and top bounds. And then for the fragment shader, we've got incoming, so this is the line. So you got a start point, an end point, and a line width. The start point and end point are the, I'm going to say 2D, could be 3D, coordinates of the line itself in the space that is local, and then the 2 points, the start and the end, are transformed into the model space. Well, world space actually, because it's got the view transform as well. Then we get the projection of the current screen position, which is the current pixel in world space. That's this line here, P3. And we get the projection of P3, which is our current pixel, onto that line segment. If it's outside of the line segment, meaning it's beyond the ends, it's thrown away. Otherwise, calculate whether it's within the line width of the line segment itself. And if it's outside, it's discarded. Otherwise, it's filled in with the stroke color. Circle and ellipse are roughly the same. The only difference is they have fill characteristics as well. So the code here is the same. We're using a distance function from the center of the circle. The only real interesting bit is the mix between the fill color and the stroke color. And the stroke portion and the fill portion are here. They're combined to give sort of an anti-aliasing effect. At least that was the theory behind it. And then output as the final color. If it's outside the bounds of the stroke, on the outside of the circle, it's going to be discarded. That's how it works right now. Ellipse is a little bit similar, but with 2 points, X and Y. That's how SVG files represent them. But there's a lot of room for improvement here because, like I said, I'm using full screen quads, so that's drawing every single pixel for each shape on the entire screen. So for higher resolution displays, that's going to be a significant impact. But at this point, I don't have enough graphics drawn that's making a difference. But when that starts to become a problem, I will be looking into optimization on how to get at least projected rectangular bounds for the shape itself, plus the stroke and any adornments that may be there. That's a general overview of how the shaders are functioning for the graphics engine. All right, thanks for coming along. Talk to you later.